If you have an access to accounting menu, you will see accounting menu like this on the left menu selection. Under accounting menu, you have invoices, payments received, payment credits, and subscriptions. If you go to invoices screen, you have filters and search bars on the top. Filters are your statuses, your date ranges, and some of the commonly used status filters are showing as buttons as well. Due are the invoices that are due currently. Past due are the ones that have been not paid and they're past due. Failed are the ones that where the payment was tried to be collected, however, there was some sort of a failure in collecting the payment, such as a credit card decline. And completed are the ones that are successfully collected. Your payment summaries are showing in these boxes over here. The actual payments are arranged in a grid over here. You can see the invoice type, the amount, and the balance due. The ones that are paid are already closed, and the ones that are not paid are showing as pending. Let's click on one of the pending ones. If you click on it, you'll go to the payment detail. You have the customer's name, due date, the term on it, and the product detail, along with any surcharges. Base price of the product is $51 plus surcharges. It adds up to be $65. There has been 0 payments made, and there's a balance of $65. In order to collect a payment from the customer over the phone, you can click on Pay Now, which will take you to the payment screen where you can get the credit card number from them, enter it right here, and once you enter everything correctly, the Pay Now button will enable and you can collect it. If the customer has not given you the credit card number, then you can send them a reminder, which will send them an email. If you click on Reminder, an automatic email will be sent to the customer with a link that they can enter their credit card information and pay their invoice themselves. The next menu is Payment Received. Once a payment is successfully made, it shows up over here in the Payments Received. The next menu is Payment Credits. These are the ones that you have been given back to the customer. For example, a contract was canceled in the middle of a month and the customer was given a credit back. Subscriptions are the ones that are attached to monthly contracts. These are showing you some of the details about those contracts and their subscriptions. A subscription has invoices attached to it as well. So for example, a subscription is 36 months. So there'll be 36 different invoices showing over here at the end of 36 months. And that's how your accounting menu works.